Well, we got the talk up and going. Got the ropes down so that we can keep it from getting ruined in the wind. We did put the plastic down because after a couple of rains, we decided that the table needed to be protected from the rain. So we put the plastic down and then put the shade cloth on top of that, which provides even more shade for inside the talk. So once I have plants started, they're going to have to move outside the talk to get more sun. But starting seeds doesn't require any sun. Remy, come. Yes, good girl. Sit. So now what we're doing is we're getting the tractor out so that we can start digging irrigation lines so that we can bury them instead of having them on top of the soil. It does warm up in the winter. Hey, come here. So since it warms up in the summer, we want to protect the plants from getting watered with really hot water. The irrigation pipe is black, and I found back in Idaho that did cause the water to be hot initially before the cold water came through the pipe. So by burying the pipes, we're able to protect it against the heat from the summer and a little bit of the cold from the winter. Not that it gets very cold, but we don't want 95-degree water on the plants. We want to cool the roots during the summer, and we want to warm the roots during the winter. So we're going to bury the irrigation pipes. And here comes Wes. So I've already dug out the rocks over there towards the house, but we're going to need to dig a trench. Remy, come. Here. Heel. Yes. And now Wes is going to dig me some pipes. There's a stump right there that I needed removed. So we're checking to see if it's big or little. But now you can't get through because there's a moat. Welcome to my jungle.
You can't do that while I'm doing that. What are you doing?
I think we're done.
I feel like being done.
I feel like being done today.
We got more accomplished than what we wanted.
Well, I did a lot of supervising today, and I'm exhausted now.
Ugh.